Okay, so today we're going to cover a topic that's probably been covered a ton of times, but I couldn't find a good video online that did exactly what I wanted, so I'm going to show you what I did. I'm going to try and make this guy right here look more like that right there, using the same thing that I did to, of course, refresh those wheels. They had some rust spots, and so let's go ahead and dig in. There's really only two steps to this process. First, there's to clean it, then the combination of WD-40 and steel wool, the hashtag pound 0004, you know, the finest, so that way you don't actually scratch the chrome. But as you can see, there's plenty of scratches, and this is just in poor shape. Basically, I should have shown you this when I did my wheels, but I wasn't thinking, so now I'm going to just clean up this really bad looking hubcap. But so give me a second, I'll get this thing cleaned up, and then we'll see where we're at with just a little Dawn. So hold tight. All right, so the Dawn did a good job of getting some grime off. You'll still see there's a good bit of rusty spots. Some of them are scratches, so they're not going to go away, but at least the surface rust, hopefully I'll be able to buff out with the aluminum foil, oh my gosh, the steel wool and the WD-40. So it's a pretty simple process. You know, you just get the piece wet and then start scrubbing this in a circular motion. Let's see if we can get this to start to disappear. Oh my gosh, that noise. Probably should have done this on a workbench instead of a tailgate. So let's pause and I'll come back with it clean. All right, let's try and watch this spot disappear. And again, I'm not putting barely any pressure on there. Let's move over to this spot. Let's see if there's another big spot we can hit. You know what? I'm going to go ahead and pause this, and we're going to come back when I'm done. All right, and there you have it, folks. That was like 2 minutes of work, some WD-40, some Dawn, and some really fine steel wool. Like I said, it's the 40, or whatever the technical term is for that. There are still scratches in it, but that was, you know, it's not going to take scratches out of chrome. It's just going to remove the rust without adding more scratches. Like, look at that. That's pretty dang good. So, all right, give it a shot. Let me know what you think.